Congratulations on the purchase of your Orbital 5S. Here are the pieces in the kit. Begin assembly by installing the casters and the post into the base. Next part of assembly, slide the upright bent post into the base assembly, usually lining up with the back, although you can go forward till it's level with the back here. Tighten the nuts evenly using a 10mm socket. If you purchase the double density foam seat, assembly is the same, except there's 4 screws here instead. The Allen key is provided. After the nuts are tightened, flip it over. Next, take the armrest assembly. Right through the middle. In roughly the mid position. Now you can put the rest of the chair together, simply putting that on top, and that's your assembly.